parents and students. I am Swarna teacher, librarian in K.K. Wagh Universal School, DGP Nagar, Nashik. As we know, we conducted so many activities in CCA program. CCA means co-curricular activities. In this CCA program, we conducted so many activities as music, dance, art and craft activities, but we also focused on the reading, writing and speaking skills of the students. So let us see the best performance in storytelling competition and book talk activities.
Hello everyone, myself Siddhi Vadnere. I study in grade 7th SEM. Today I am going to give you a book review of the most famous book known as Agnipank. This book is also called as Wings of Fire in English. The book which I have is written in Marathi language. The author of this book is APJ Abdul Kalam. The publisher of this book is Rajhans Publications Limited, Pune. This book contains 2 to 179 pages and the price of this book is Rs 275. Avul Pakir Jainal-Abidin Abdul Kalam, also known as the Missile Man of India, is one of the nation's most distinguished scientists. He also served as the 11th President of India between the year 2002 and 2007. He is a recipient of India's 3 highest civilian awards, the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna. Agnipank is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam written jointly by Arun Tiwari and Abdul Kalam. It is a story of a boy from a humble background who went on to become a key player in Indian space research and Indian missile programs. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. At his very small age, he started to sell newspapers to supplement his family's income. In his school, he got average grades and was also known as hard-working and bright student. He spent hours on his studies, especially on mathematics. Kalam wanted to join Air Force but was not selected for Air Force Selection Board because he ranked 9th from 25 candidates. Now, let's talk about the book. This book contains many chapters and every chapter is filled with lots of science, stories of friendship, religion and family. This book contains some of his own composed poems and some of his favorite poems. This book has been translated in 13 languages, including French and Chinese. When I read this book, it was very interesting. It taught me many beautiful messages and lessons. The main teaching that I learned from this book is how can we achieve success and how to manage our failure. Through this book, Dr. Kalam gave many messages to the youth and nation. That's all about this book. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Rashtraji from grade 7 Sun and today's topic is book review competition. In this competition, my book name is Thea Stationer and Cherry Blossom Adventure. The author of the book is Germonio Stilson. The name of publisher is Scholastic. Total pages in this notebook are 177 and the price of the book is 325. The story is about 5 friends named Thea Sister. They have visit to the Japan for their academic classes. They meet with their guide named Kumi. Then she takes them at their rooms. After 2-3 days, they went outside to explore Japan. Then they went to the Kumi's house to meet with his father named Mr. Nakurama. And one man was standing with Mr. Nakurama named Mr. Ishizoko. The man was fighting for the princess which Mr. Nakurama had. It was a puppet princess that was very special for Mr. Nakurama. And the Mr. Ishizoko was giving the money double, but he refused. Then they went to the Japan's Cherry Blossom Festival and then they started traveling. After some time, they met with 6 men that have masked their face and they kidnapped Mr. Nakurama. Then the girls were in difficult moment, so they gone to the hidden place where the princess was hidden. Then they looked here and there and went to that. But a girl named Sakurama see them and following them. Then they take the princess and go outside. But the Thea sister stuck inside because the Sakurama locked them inside. So then they make an idea and get out of that room. And then the princess was stolen by that man that have kidnapped to Mr. Nakurama. And then they make a plan to take princess again. So they make a plan that they will take attention of the guards and the other members will go in Mr. Ishizuka's house or a castle. So then they went there and take a princess, and there they also find Mr. Nakurama was tied with ropes. And then they start seeing here and there and they got outside. Then the Mr. Ishizuka see them and then he was trapped by police. So this was the story and the end was very happy and they have the party time. In this book I liked most was the adventures and the friendship bond that never dies. You should also read this book. It is very interesting and have many morals. Like that we should help each other. We should not break our friendship in difficult times and many more other things. Thank you.
To all my teachers and friends. My name is Prachit Kosti. I study in class 7th June. My roll number is 6. Today I will give book review on the book of Messi. So, the name of the book is Messi. Author of the book is Luca Chioli. Price of the book is ₹350. Production by Icon Books. This book is so amazing. This book is based on life story of Messi from young to now. This book is so meaningful that when he plays with his honesty now also and in young time also. He played for Barcelona. He has so much trophies, medals and certificates etc. He have won Champions League trophies in 2005 and 2011. Messi is one of the most favorite footballers in history. He is good in dribbling. In every match, he do goal 1 or 3. Now I will tell you one incident of Messi. In 10 October 2017, Barcelona versus Olympiacos, youngest player to score 100 goals in European competitions. He is the second to do it after Ronaldo, and he has done it in 21 fewer matches than the Portuguese. Thank you.